Good Thursday morning, everybody. Chris here with High Seas Cruising, and welcome to today's video. And apparently this week is just going to be bizarre cruise story week because we are back again, and this time we have a 35-year-old South African crew member who has stabbed both ship personnel and a guest. Now, this incident happened on the Norwegian Encore. It started back here on May the 6th when this 35-year-old crew member was seen trying to release one of the lifeboats to put one of the lifeboats in the water. Security immediately apprehended him. They escorted him down to the medical center to be evaluated. Now, at this point, this confrontation begins to escalate in the medical center. He assaults one of the male nurses there in the medical center. He assaults one of the security guards that is in the room with him. And then he moves on to the next room. And this is where it gets dangerous because in the next room was one of the cruise passengers that was down in the medical center seeking treatment. So while in the room with this female passenger, he grabs a pair of medical scissors and he begins to stab the cruise passenger. He stabs her in the hand, he stabs her in the arm, and it is reported he even stabbed her in the face. Now, two security guards immediately jump in to try to pull him off. He stabs one of the security guards in the head, stabs the other security guard in the back and in the shoulder. Now, this all happened before they were able to finally restrain him and secure him down in the ship's brig until he could be taken off of the ship. Now, the following day on the 7th, he was arrested by the FBI. He was taken off the ship pending these allegations. He has been charged with assault with a deadly weapon. He could face up to 10 years in prison and a $250,000 fine. And that is for each count of assault that he is found guilty of. So what makes a crew member do this? What makes a crew member suddenly need to get a lifeboat in the water, needs to escape the ship, it sounds like, to be taken down to medical, to freak out, to start stabbing cruise passengers, and to start stabbing security officers that are trying to restrain him? Makes you wonder, has he been on the ship too long? Has it been too many contracts? Is he overworked, overtired, underpaid? Could be all different kinds of things, except for the fact this particular crew member, he'd been on the ship for one day. He actually joined the crew May the 5th when the ship departed Seattle. And the topper is, it was also his first contract. So this crew member had been on board the ship for one day, for the first time ever as a crew member, before he flips out and suddenly needs this lifeboat and starts to attack personnel and passengers on board this ship. I don't know, maybe he got on the ship and realized that the ocean was not for him. Maybe something on the ship caused him to freak out. The story does not say. But obviously something was happened or something was wrong with this particular individual, that being a crew member was not going to work out for him. And as nice and as caring as crew members are, even they sometimes can have issues that we may not know about. And that's going to be our quick video for today. If you've enjoyed today's video, do me a favor and hit that like button. If you haven't done so yet, do me a favor and hit subscribe. It is free to do so. Helps our channel grow. Let you know anytime we put out a new video. Hope everyone out there is having a really great day. And like always, we will see you out on the high seas.